welcome to Almost Cool Inventions Part 2. Today I have a new breadboard circuit. It's pretty cool. So the circuit relies on buttons. Impressive, right? You see, it works by the battery being plugged into the negative and positive circuitry. And have wires and have, well, these wires aren't important. Okay, so that's better. So now I have the simple version of the circuit. I have a momentary switch plugged into both sides of the board, and I have a wire going right next to both of the terminals on that side. One wire goes to the positive side of the LED, and one wire goes to the positive side of the wire of the breadboard. There's also a resistor. I mimicked the circuit over here too. So with all that, this happens.